The ADX DMI Histogram Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and apply it to your chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, you select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to apply the indicator. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section, and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, an oscillator window will open at the bottom of the chart. The ADX DMI Histogram Indicator is an advanced and refined version of the classic ADX indicator. The green and red values indicate positive and negative oscillators. When the positive line is above the negative, the histogram is green. When below, it turns red. The orange line represents the ADX line, showing trend strength in the settings section, and the orange line is the ADX line, which shows us the strength of the trend, as the value of this line moves upwards, whether it is in a bearish or a profitable state. In the settings section, in the input section, there are two options for us. The first one is related to the display settings, which is the theme or template of the indicator. It has three options: Light Tem, Dark Tem, and Custom. By selecting the Light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template that is applied to your chart is. By selecting the Dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by choosing the Custom option, it keeps your personalized template and applies it to the indicator on the chart. The next section is about the indicator settings. You can change the indicator's period settings from this section, which is set to 14 by default. Here, I'm selecting the dark template and setting the ADX period to 21, and then I click OK. My template has changed to dark, and my ADX period has also been adjusted. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd love for you to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.